Hi guys, today we've got this really easy braided hairstyle for you. To start, as always, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and now we're just going to section the hair in half, and I'm doing this from about 2 inches from the centre of the head on the left hand side, angling it down towards the right hand ear. Now with this top section we're going to sweep it over towards the right hand side of the head and do a simple 3-strand braid all the way down to the end, and then just tie it off with a clear elastic band. With the rest of the hair, sweep it over to the opposite side, so to the left, and do the same braid. Grab some texture spray and apply it all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. Then just use your fingers to pinch and pull that braid apart so it's nice and voluminous. Also, if you like a little bit more texture, pinch and pull the crown. Then just repeat on the left hand braid. Now take that left hand braid and we're going to wrap it upwards around our fingers, and all we're going to do is roll this so you're rolling on top of the braid until you meet the nape of the neck. Then secure all the way around that little bun section we've just made with as many bobby pins as needed. Now moving on to the right hand braid, we're going to do the same, but this time we're going to roll the hair up so it's underneath the braid. Keep rolling until it's sitting next to that first bun. Push them close together and secure around the outside of the braid with a few bobby pins. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.